Alright guys, it snowed for the second time in a week. It really don't snow much here. Last year I don't think we got any snow. Let's see a bunny. Oh shit, about busted my ass. My poor chickens. Everyone's still out. Y'all don't want to go in where it's warm, babies? Everyone up there? Y'all gonna be cold tonight. I hope they don't freeze. Oh, bunny. Bunny's not in. I wonder where Bunny is. Let's get Dot here. Oh, two babies. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. I got you. Come on, baby. I got you, baby. What's wrong, baby? Are you okay? Are you that cold or just hurt? Let's get you in here, baby. Let's get you in here. Come on, baby. You're okay. Just relax here for the night. Hey, babies. Where is my bunny at? There's my bunny. He came in all by himself, so I was cold. Big Tommy and mini Tommy. And Queen C, are you in here? Where's all my little babies? Huh. There's a couple of them. Y'all need to get in here. Oh, they're all up there. No, that's not good. That's gonna be cold, babies. See, y'all up in the elements and stuff. Y'all gonna be cold. Hold on. Let me get Dot here. Come on, baby Dot. Let's go. Get on Daddy's hand. You're not sleeping in the snow. Hold on. You're flying. You're fine, baby. Okay. Hold on. Sit here with your friend. There you go, baby. Good chicken.